Hello dear students, good morning. As in previous lecture, I told you about how we decide the stability by the resonance. I also told you about how to calculate the number of resonating structure in case of benzoate compound and also in case of acyclic compound. Now today I will discuss about some more important points regarding resonance. Look at here. Some important point regarding resonance. So now look at here. The students, point number 1, if negative charge or lone pair of electrons are present at conjugate system and which take part in resonance. In that condition, they are considered as delocalized pi electron. That is, if negative charge or lone pair of electron which take part in resonance, considered as pi electron. Sorry, considered as delocalized pi electron. To look at the example. An example is if this type of condition given to you. Here this contains negative charge. Now this negative charge take part in the conjugation like this. So that's why this negative charge, that is 2 electron containing also known as delocalized pi electron. So that's why this contains 6 pi electron. Here the 6 pi electron are delocalized and this negative charge take part in resonance. That's why 6 pi electrons are delocalized. So by this way you can also show that these electrons are also, that is negative charge also take part in resonance and hence this also behave as delocalized pi electron. One more example for the case of lone pair. Look at here. This is chiral. Here this lone pair also involving resonance. This lone pair also involving resonance. That's why with the condition double bond, single bond, lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double. That's why this lone pair also considered as delocalized pi electron. Hence, this also has 6 delocalized pi electron. Now next point. If more than 1 pi bond present at conjugate position, so second condition, what happens here basically? If more than 1 pi bond or pi electron present at conjugated position, Then only one pi one, that is 1 pi electron can take part in the resonance. Then only one pi bond take part in resonance, and that pi bond are basically delocalized. So now look the condition: CS2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond, sorry, triple bond CH. Now this has 2 pi bond, 1 pi, 1 pi, but only one pi bond can take part in resonance, but other pi bond do not take part in the resonance. That's why with the condition, total 6 pi electron, but delocalized 5 electron is 4. 2 pi electron from this pi bond and 2 electrons from this pi bond, and 1 pi bond is as such written here. So that's why when one question is asking that how many pi electrons are delocalized, so only 4 electrons, pi electrons are delocalized, but total have 6 pi electrons. So this is one more important property of resonance. Now one more property: if more than 1 electrons are present at conjugate position. So third condition: if more than 1 electrons are present at conjugate position, if more than 1 lone pair are present at conjugate position. This I told you how to know the conjugate position: double bond, single bond, lone pair, double bond, single bond, positive charge, double bond, single bond, double bond. These are known as conjugate position. Then only one lone pair take part in resonance, and that lone pair we have as delocalized pi electron. So now look the condition: CS2 double bond CH, single bond OH. Now look the condition: this contains 2 lone pair, but only 1 lone pair take part in resonance, and second lone pair do not take part in resonance. So now total number of electrons which can take part in resonance, basically here 2 to 4 to 6, but actually only 4 electrons take part in the resonance. So here delocalized 5 electrons equal to 4. So by this way you can know that how many electrons take part in the resonance out of given lone pair. Now one more condition: this is known as boson. This contains 2 lone pair of oxygen atom, but only 1 lone pair can take part in resonance. Look at here: lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, lone pair. So these shows the conjugate position. Here again 1 lone pair take part in resonance, but second do not take part in the resonance. Hence this has 6 pi electrons which are delocalized. So by this way we can know that the importance of resonance. Now let us focus on the application of resonance. So now the most important things you have to know that application of resonance. That means in which field we can apply the resonance. So application of resonance. This is very important for examination point of view and also to learn the organic chemistry smoothly. So now, first application is stability. Stability of carbocation, carbonyl and free radical. In first application, I want to tell you about the how we decide that the stability of carbocation, carbonyls and free radicals. So look, the first condition of carbocation, the benzene ring contains H2 and this H2 contains plus carbon. This I told you, this carbon is known as benzylic carbon, or you can say benzyl carbon. The benzylic carbon, and this is known as benzylic carbocation. This is known as benzylic carbocation. Cation because of plus. Now look at the condition. This one move to this carbon, and now the resonating structure, that is also known as chemical structure of bond. So CS2, now this gets double bond and positive charge move to attached position. This I also told you. With respect to attached group, the second position is known as ortho, third is known as beta, and fourth is known as para position. So now again the shifting of pi electron takes place like this. Now the this charge moves to the para position. Now look again, CS2 double bond here plus charge double bond. Again displaced, this bond move to this side, and now what happens? Double bond CS2 double bond and positive charge. Now finally what happens? This pi bond again move to this side, and now positive charge move to again this carbon. So by this way we can show that the resonance and also the effect of resonance on benzylic carbocation. So now let's do the conditions. Here the positive charge available like 2 times at ortho position and 1 time at para position. So that's why due to delocalization of charge, the stability of the given cations are moved. Now we draw the resonance sample. Look the conditions for the resonance sample. Here the delocalization of take place of pi bond in the whole length. That's why we draw the circle like this, dotted circle. Now CS2 and pi bond also moving this carbon to this carbon. Now this gets slightly negative positive charge, slightly positive charge, slightly positive charge, and also slightly positive charge is here. So this is the resonance hybrid. So by this way, more the number of structures, more will be the stability. So that's why benzyl carbocation is more stable. This is due to resonance. Same thing happens with the carbonyls and free radicals. So look the condition again here. Now this carbon contains negative charge. Now what happens basically here? This negative charge moves to this carbon. Now this is again benzylic carbon, and this is known as benzylic carbonyl. Benzylic carbonyl. So now again to the conditions for the carbonyl. Here this bond moves like this, and that's why this bond moves to this carbon. Now here negative charge come at ortho and para position. Negative charge double bond like this. Now again this negative charge moves to this, and now this pi bond move to this carbon, so that now the negative charge come on the para position. Double bond, negative charge, double. Now get distance, this charge move to this bond, and now this bond move to this carbon. That's why now it will generate one more structure. These all structures are known as canonical structure or regulating structure or contributing structure. Now again, this pi bond moves to here, and now this contains again negative charge. So now what happens here? Basically, look the condition. CH2 negative charge, double bond and double bond. So look the conditions. The negative charge of this carbon are moved to ortho and para position. Ortho position and para position, again ortho position. So that's why the negative charge delocalized, and hence these benzylic carbon ions are more stable. One more thing I told you, that more the number of structure, more will be the stability. One thing I told you, how we know that this form how many structure? This I told you, 3 into number of linking rings and plus conjugate position. Look at here, one benzene. So by this benzene 3 structure and 1 conjugate position. So 4 structure. So this can form 4 structure. Okay, dear students. Now, similarly, in case of basically 3 radicals, what happens with the 3 radicals? So look again the conditions. For the 3 radicals, this contains 1 dot. This is known as benzylic free radical. Free radical. Okay, dear students. Now, how to break the bond? This I told you. According to homolysis, the equal bond breaking takes place. That means 1 electron goes to this carbon and 1 electron goes to this carbon. This you can show by the single bar. This is known as bar or face of arrow. Look here. What happens? Now, by breaking up this bond, in this condition, this generates CH2 double bond, and now the dot comes on this carbon. Now again, similarly, the bond breaks like this by half, third arrow, and now this electrons and this electron form one multiple bond. This is CH2 double bond. Now what electrons and double bond again. Now this bond again break like this. Okay, dear students. And now we get one more structure. This I also told you, these are the hypothetical structure. And also known as regulating structure and contributing structure. Now again this bond plays like this and again like this. In this conditions what happens? Basically this again form multiple bond here, and now the carbon get again 3 radical, that is dot. Now look the conditions here. This one electrons move to ortho position, para position, and again ortho position. That's why the movement of the electron take place, there is delocalization of the electron take place, and hence they also increase the stability. So by this way you can know the stability of carbocations, carbanions, and free radicals. Similarly, one more important group, that is allyl group, which also show the resonance similarly as benzene. So this is most important. You have to know that this carbon is known as allylic carbon. So this you have to know, because allylic carbons in terms of cations, free radicals, and anions are came in our chemistry so many times. So that's why you know about the allyl carbon. Now this is known as allylic carbocation. Now this I told you that how many conjugate position? 1 and 2. So that's why they form two structure, 1 and 1 for this. So now look the conditions. This bond break like this, and hence the positive charge move to this carbon. Now due to this region, what happens? The movement of positive charge take place. That's why they, that is resonance, stabilize the molecules by delocalization of positive charge. Okay, dear students. Now if you draw the resonance fabric, you will look the conditions. CS2 single bond, CH single bond, CS2. Here the movement of pi bond take place. So that's why they also show the partial double bond characters and also show the plus bond, the partial double bond characters. And that's why the region, the single bond now reduce their length and pi bond increase their length. Now you can write the charge like this: slightly positive charge and slightly positive charge. Because here the one positive charge move to two carbon atom, so that's why one get plus half. One get half plus charge and one also get half plus charge. So that's why they get the partial double bond characters and also the partial charge. So by this way, resonance also stabilize allyl carbocations. Now similar case is happened with the carbon ions with the allyl group. Look the conditions. CS2 contain negative charge. Now here you have to move the negative charge towards 5. So this 5 was fit here, and now this move to this carbon. So that's why what happened here basically? CS2 single bond CH and double bond CS2. Now the negative charge come on this carbon. One more thing you will come that. Now the conjugated, this is also very important, conjugated carbanion H sp2 hybridized sp2 hybridized. Look the condition. I told you that carbanions are sp3 basically, but due to resonance, now this carbon get sp2 carbon. Now this becomes sp2 carbon. So that's why conjugated carbanions is sp2 hybridized. This is also a very good example, and also the importance of resonance. By resonance, the conjugated carbons become sp2. Now next property, that is